Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Sparkplug. So in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to make this beautiful Red Bull can in Fusion 360. This is just a simple revolve and there are some kind of slots we will be making there. So let's get started without wasting any time. But before that, just to let you guys know that we are not monetized our channel, and the only way I am earning is through donation from my viewers. So it would be a huge appreciation if you can support us on this. So let's get started. Switch to new workspace. Okay. Oh yeah. So this is a boxer engine assembly I'm working on. So it's already completed, and hopefully I will upload the next video on how to make this assembly. Okay, so this is for the next video. So let's get started. We will start with sketch on the front plane and press L and start by making a vertical line of length 102.3 mm like this. Again press C for circle, sorry, press L for line and choose the line as construction line and extend it downwards somewhere here. Now press C for circle, switch off the construction mode. So in the construction line, draw a circle of diameter 49 mm. Press D for dimension, and from the topmost point of the line to this circle, uh, give it a dimension of 121 like this. Now press L again and create a lines like this here. Press D for dimension and give this dimension as 22.18, and the distance from this point to this point, the vertical distance is going to be 98 like this. Now press L again and connect a horizontal line with this one like this. Press D for dimension, and from this line uh, to the top point that you have created, this dimension is going to be 102.3 like this. Press D again and make this angle as 125 like this. Okay, so now once you are done, press L again and draw a line up to a distance of 20 here. Let me switch this dimension towards here to get a proper view of this section. Now what we are going to do is just extend this line somewhere here. I'm going to create a circle of dia 0.4 here. Press D from this line don't know why the dimension tool is not working. Let me just finish. Let me just go back to sketch once again. I think there might be some kind of glitch. uh, okay, press D again, and from this point to this point make it 0.3 just like this. Now once done, press C again press C again and draw a circle of 1 mm diameter here. Press D, and from this point to this point, this dimension is going to be 1.2, like this. Now once done, just extend this line up like this, and press again, draw a circle somewhere here of dia 1 again, and another circle somewhere here of dia 1.7. Just extend this. Now press D again for dimension, and from this point, this dimension is going to be 2.5. This dimension from this point is going to be 3.85. This point to this point, sorry, press D again, from this point to this point, this is going to be 7 mm, like this. Now once done, what you have to do is you have to make a line again. So press C again, press construction line again, and extend this line as a construction till upwards, like this. Now press tangent relationship between these two, and do the same with these two as well. Now once done, press tangent relationship between these two, like this. Now what we are going to do is we will create another line. So go to spline, select this point and a point here, just switch off the construction and press OK. Only the 2 point would do. And now give the tangent relationship between these two lines. Click tangent, give tangency to this line, and make this line tangent to this one, like this. So we have a small curve. You can always play with the dimension. Just one correction here, so instead of 7, make it 5 mm, like this. And for the tangency, you can change it as you want. Now for the next step, press L again, and from center of this point to this point, draw a line so that it becomes tangent to one another, like this. Now once done, again we will create another line from here to here. Press tangent relationship for this one and for this one. Press C again, press D again, and from this point to this point, from D again, from this point to the center line that we have created. This dimension is going to be 20. Let me check again. No, it's 22 actually. Yeah, 20.5. That this dimension from this. So our sketch is now complete. So just another spline from this point to this point. Press OK. Make tangent relationship between this and this. we are going to trim this extra part here and this one, so that we have a beautiful curve leading us toward inside. Delete this as well and delete this as well. Now we have a closed sketch. As you can see, it's showing blue. Just delete this as well and this one. So we have a closed sketch here. Finish the sketch, go to revolve, select this one as a face. Axis would be your center line. This would be our new component and press OK. Now we are ready with our base of the cat. Now let's again click on create a sketch, click on top of the face like this, press L again for construction line. We are going to create two construction line, one horizontal and one vertical like this. Now once done, go to create, go to slot, go to 3-point slot, select this point, yeah, sorry guys, actually I got confused with the dimension. So let's start again with the sketch here. So draw a vertical line, no need to draw it as a construction line. So now for the next step, what we are going to do is we are going to create a slot. Go to create, go to slot and choose the last option, center arc to slot, and make a slot like this. No need for any dimension for now. Go to constraint, go to symmetry, choose these 2 points and make a symmetry to the center line, so that this figure gets symmetric. Now press D again. From this point to this point, this dimension is going to be 8.5. The dia, okay, this time the radius is going to be 2.1. And this point to this point, this distance is going to be 4.3. like this. Now let me check once again what other dimension am I missing. I think that is our sketch is fully defined. Now again go to create, go to ellipse, and we are going to create a center ellipse somewhere here. Just make an ellipse. We can do with the dimension later on. So now press D again, choose the minor dia as 13 and the major dia as 18 mm, and from the center point to the center of the ellipse, this distance is going to be 8 mm like this. So now once as you can see the sketch is black, that means it's fully constrained. Go to finish sketch. Now what we are going to do is we are going to extrude this. So go to extrude, and this time extrude, use the thin extrude command and select the first one, internal profile, extrude it up to a distance of 0.3 and the direction would be symmetric, measurement would be whole length, and the length wall thickness would be 1 mm and operation would be join. Now press Ctrl and select the outer ellipse as well, but just make sure the distance is symmetric, and if not you can delete this at any point. Just for now, just I'm going to leave it like that only. Wall location would be from center like this. Control and select the ellipse as well. So once you are satisfied with the sketch, press OK. Now again go to fillet, select this profile and this profile and give it a radius of 0.6 and press OK. Now repeat the same step for here as well and 0.6 and press OK. Please ignore these edges. Actually there are my I'm using my a 12-year-old laptop, so I don't have that much of a good graphics, so it does not fulfill the requirements for SolidWorks. Sorry for this. Now once done, again go to create a sketch, select on this one. Let me just rotate it 90 degree, 110 degrees. Again press L for line, draw a center line like this. Press C for circle and draw a circle somewhere here like this. Press D for dimension, and from this point to this point make it give it a vertical dimension of 11 mm. Press D again and give this a dia of 57 like this. Just click on it and fix it so that it does not move. Now press C again and draw a circle somewhere here like this. Press D again from this point to this point. This dimension is going to be 15. From this point to this point, this vertical dimension is going to be 3 mm, and the dia is going to be 12.8. Now once done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an spline from this point here and here. Connect from this point to this circle and press OK. Now press tangent relation. I want a tangent relationship between this two and this one. Now this point is up to you. You can play with this. I'm not going to give it any dimension for now. Now once you're satisfied, mirror this circle and this one with the sector line that you have created and press OK. Now press T for trim, and we are going to trim the extra part of the outer circle so that we are left with only the inner circle. Press L again and draw a line like this. Mirror this. I'm just going to trim this extra line. That's why I've created this line. So T, just delete the outer circle like this. Delete this as well. Okay. Press T. Okay, I think this is why this is not connected. Okay, let's yeah, there you go. So now once done, click on finish the sketch and repeat the same step like we did previously. Go to extrude, go to thin, select this one and this profile. Distance will be 0.3 mm, and the wall thickness would be center. The operation would be join and press OK. Now go to fillet, select on this one and this face 0.6 mm and press OK. Now once done, now the next thing that we are going to make is this opener. So for this opening, what we are going to do is we are going to create another body, a new body. So click on create sketch right on top of it like this and rotate this 180 degrees like this. Now we are going to create another sketch for the opener. So now what we are going to do is just hide the body for now. Press L for length and from center point we will start by making an ellipse. So go to create, go to ellipse, create one ellipse like this. Select the major dia as 9 and the minor one as 7. Now press L again, draw one vertical line like this. Press C, and at the end of this line draw a circle for 20 mm. And press L again, just extend this line till the end of the circle. Now press C again, and draw another circle like this. Press D for dimension and give this dimension between these two circles as 3 mm like this. Press D again, and from the top circle to this point, this dimension is going to be 7.5. Press L again and draw one vertical line like this somewhere here. Press D, and from center point to this point, this dimension is going to be 5.2. Now once done, press T and trim the extra line that we have. Just extend this line downwards and trim all the lines that we have extra. Like this. Now press C again and press L again and draw a line on left side and make it horizontal. Press C, and the end point draw a circle of 30 mm diameter, and this dimension is going to be 10.5 like this. Now press trim again and trim this inside part this time, and for this point we are going to extend this line. Just extend this line up to this point. Press T again, trim this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now we have the outer profile of our opener is ready. Now go to mirror, select this line, this line, this line, and this line. Select the mirror line as base one and press OK like this. Now once done, click on finish the sketch and you can extrude this profile outwards up to a thickness of 1.1. This is going to be our new component, the opener. Click on fillet, select all the edges, select the edges to make it smooth. So this is not according to the dimension. I think 1.5 would be okay. Press fillet again, select this edge and this edge and give it a radius of 0.55 and press OK. And just we can also select the inside face also while doing the fillet here. So yeah, this seems okay. Yeah, good. Now the next thing is to create, we can just bring back this body just to make sure that it's placed correctly. uh, Now before that, we will again create an sketch on top of it. Now press L again and create a line like this. Go to rectangle, go to center point rectangle and draw a rectangle uh, like this here. Press D for dimension. If you are not satisfied with the color, press Shift N and it will disables the color. Press dimension and give this a dimension of 5. Similarly, do this for here as well, and finish the sketch. And we are going to just hide this for now. We are going to extrude cut it like this. Now once done, we are again going to create a sketch. This time I'm going to use the front plane. You can slice the object if you want to look it in the middle. Now again we will start by making a rectangle. The thickness of this rectangle is going to be 1.1. The distance from here to here would be 0.1, like this. Press T from this point to this point. This would be 0.5. No, actually it would be 2 mm. And make these two coincident. So the distance between these two and these two would be 0. I don't think that would work, so let's try coincident. No, that would also not work. We just have to make them equal like this. Keep it till that point only. No need to, yeah. So click from this point to this point, draw a spline. Repeat the same step from this point to this point, and OK. Now give the tangent relation between these two, this one, this point. And if it's not getting, you can project it. Go to project, go to click on project, click on this line, this point and this line in order to project it. So that way we will be able to give the tangent relationship here. Now once the tangent relationship is done, you can always play with the tangency if you are not satisfied with the curve. So once done, as you can see, this sketch is now closed. Finish the sketch, extrude this sketch, and the distance would be, the direction would be symmetric, and the distance would be 2, yeah, and press OK. Now once done, last thing that needs to be done is to give the fillet on all of these edges. The distance would be 0.5. I think, okay, let's see how much it's taking. Keep it 0.3 and press OK. Yeah, once done, again click on create a sketch. On this surface we are going to create a circle right in center of the origin. Press L and draw a vertical line, and press C for circle, and on top of this line draw a circle of 2.25 mm, and from this point to this point, this dimension is going to be 12 mm. And finish the sketch and extrude these two, and the extent would be to object. Select this object and press OK. Okay, now one thing, I think that make this as 14 or 13. Now once done, you can fillet this 0.3 and OK. Now lastly, fillet these corners as well. 0.5, 0.3. Okay, it's not taking, so let's make it 0.2. Yeah, that's better. Now click on the first part. We have to rotate this, so go to move, select component. This is going to be our component. Go to top view, and I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees and shift it so that this rubber, this portion goes right on top of it. Once done, switch to side view like this and extend it upward so that it touches the portion. Remember, we have a gave thickness of 1.1, so the distance would be 1.1, and press OK. Now once done, this will rest here, and this is the final product. So now the last thing that needs to be done is click on appearance, and you can choose any appearance you want. So press A for appearances. Here it is. So I'm going to choose the mirror finish for this one, and duplicate this and do this for the second one also, and just edit this. I'm going to make it blue. Okay, and appear. Now for the last part, you have to we have to apply our decal like there. So what I Redbull images that I got randomly from by doing a Google search. So you can do the same here. So what we will do is we will go to canvas. We will go to insert, go to decal, and select insert from my computer, and select it where according to the location. Press OK, and this is going to be our face, and just scroll down. So while you are doing so, just make sure that chain face is deselected, because if it's selected, then you will see the page will go onto the adjacent faces. So just deselect this and choose any plane that you want, and just orient it accordingly. Now increase the size. Just make sure the orientation is okay. You have to manually adjust it accordingly carefully, and once you're satisfied, that you can change the shape and size like this, and make sure it goes all to the end. It's all up to you how you wanna arrange it here. And once you're finalized, press OK. So this is how you make a Red Bull can in Fusion 360. So I will not take much time. You guys can figure it out how to uh, calibrate that decal. Now one thing is that if you see here, this is the exact point where both of the end of that image is getting overlapped. So this might be some graphics issue, or that Fusion is continuously facing. I am not able to figure that out how to uh, ignore that. So this was all for now. So if you will work carefully, then you will be able to wrap the image just like I did here in this case. Okay, so hope you guys will enjoy the video. Let me know if you have any queries, and thank you so much.